Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound dollar ended up making a pretty decent little push up, but then we had a corrective down. Now we got another push up. If the daily time frame is going to continue down, like I was saying yesterday, then this move up that we're seeing, these three waves up, potentially is going to be a pullback to the last impulsive move down on the 1 hour. Put your Fibonacci retracement on there, wait patiently to see if it makes an engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level. If it turns down at the 61 or the 78%, like this, nice engulfing down, or like this, then that's exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go short. Like I said, if the daily is going to continue to trend down, then this move up should potentially only be a pullback to this last wave down. If for whatever reason it does decide to take out this high, then that is what's going to turn me back into a buyer more longer term. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.